Hello, super happy to be with you today with our latest innovation in renewables. Indeed, renewables will represent by 2050 more than 62% of the world electricity. And this, we know, has a very big constraints, bring a lot of big constraints on the grid. We estimate that for each euro invested in renewable, €1 shall be invested in the grid. So you heard probably that we have recently launched our AirSet range, 36 kilovolt, medium voltage, particularly adapted for renewable power generation, integration to the grid, as well as our secondary medium voltage, well dedicated for wind turbines and solar players. So overall, our developers and customers have a lot of challenges to integrate these renewables into the grid. First one is to mitigate the risk of project execution, very important. The second one is about ensuring, safety and smooth and optimized operation. And the third big challenge that our customers have is to increase the revenue across a portfolio of sites or on one particular site. So in order to discover a little bit more the different new products and new features we have, especially in low voltage, I will hand over to my friend George.
Thank you, Eric. So yes, solar farm is very important for us. It's really a new focus. And this solar farm has two aspects. One is on the CapEx side, where the customer requests something that is very optimized. And here we need to answer with, I would say, as many solutions within a confined space, so we can optimize and really make the best price. The second is the operation side. On the operation, people operating in the solar farm require something that is long-lasting, means that the solution can last not 1 year, 2 years, but over 10, 15 to 20 years. And here, something that's to be durable, that's something that we can monitor to ensure that we can really maintain the efficiency of the operation over time. To do that, we have the dedicated solution provided by Schneider, and those solutions are working with 800 volts, because this is the voltage that the output from the inverter are giving us. So 800 volts dedicated solution with MCCBs, with ACBs inside a full type tested panels from Schneider to ensure, I would say, safe and reliable power for the whole grid, because at the end what we produce will be supplying a transformer that will produce as well energy in medium voltage to the NRMU, and then after transfer the power through a step-up substation to the grid. The second aspect that we can also focus on the solar solution would be the battery storage. So battery storage is also a specific dedicated solution, because we're talking here about 1,500 volt DC application. So we have also a special range of products, which are switches connector, which are, I would say, ACBs, MCCB dedicated purpose for 1,500 volts DC application, which we don't demonstrate here, but are fully required for the, I would say, the good performance as well of the battery storage. So this is about it on the solar solution. Now we'll pass the ball to Jordan. Over to you, Jordan. Thank you.
Thank you, George. So indeed, at Schneider, with our EcoCare portfolio of services, we do help customers optimizing their return of investment in renewable. So for operators, it means that first we are helping them to reduce the risk of potential failure of their electrical distribution system. We also help them to optimize everything that relates to field activities. So the maintenance operation, we want to limit the number of time they will have to dispatch resources on the field, and making sure as well that once they are on the field, they are more efficient because they know exactly what they have to do. They are prepared for that with the right skills and competencies, so as well as the right spare parts. And we combine this as well with better management of the fleet of assets, understanding the way the equipment is aging on the field, and planification of the maintenance and replacement, like what we do for it with Transformer Expert, a solution really to help our customer in renewable to better manage their fleet of transformers, and help them as well to decide whether they need to replace aging transformer or continue to operate them with the warranty that they will be able to continue to operate in good conditions. So if you want to know more about that, please reach out to us. Thank you.